In this video today we are going to learn how you can delete the all Chrome history by select all. You can select all your history and you can delete at once. So I will show in my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone you can follow the same step. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here I'm on Android phone, but if so guys, if you're using laptop or desktop you can follow the same step. Okay, so let's start with the video. So let me open Chrome browser. So this is my Chrome browser guys, and whatever I search it will be show in my activities. So you have to click on this three dot option and go to the settings. Okay, okay, here, okay, in settings, okay, click on three dot and click on history again. Okay, so now here you can see this is my all history which I search on my Chrome browser. Now go to the clear browsing data. This is the highlight you can see, just click on it. And now this is a basic and advanced. What is the difference between basic and advanced? In basic you can see the three options, which is browsing history, cookies and site data, caches, image and file. But in advanced you can see more the three options, which is browsing history, cookies, site, caches, image, and the password, auto form data and site setting. Okay, so these are two or three options which is available in basic, and this is password and save password and autofill data and site setting elements, advanced. So whatever you have want to clear, just select. Okay, I just select. Now there is an option, you can see time range. You have to click on it and you can select all from here. You can select all time. So all time means it is selected everything from starting. So you can select time range also, like last 24 week means 1 month, last 7 days, last 24 hours means 1 day, or last short 1 hours. Okay, so you can select all time and clear it. So these three data will be clear. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.